Hello, friends! There is the alphabet train with his friend, the little forklift. They look like they are ready to work. Should we help them to get all the letters of the alphabet?
Okay.
Our first letter is A. A is the first letter of the alphabet. Can you think of a word that starts with A?
Apple.
Here comes our next letter. After A comes B. What word starts with B?
Bird.
Good job! Oh my, here comes the letter C. C comes right after B. Can you think of a shape that starts with the letter C?
Circle.
That's right! Just in time. Here comes D. D is the fourth letter of the alphabet. Guess what furry animal starts with D?
Dog.
Our friends the forklifts are doing such a great job. Look, now we have the letter E. E is a vowel and is so fun to say. Try it.
E.
Well done, kids. F comes next. Fantastic! F is the first letter of a lot of great words.
Fun. Friendly. Fury. Fluffy.
Now, we go to the letter G. Golly gee, this letter is great. After G comes the letter H. H is a happy letter. Can you think of something you wear on your head that starts with the letter H?
Hat.
Next is the incredible letter I. I is an easy letter to make because it just looks like a straight line. I is the first letter in a lot of words. Can you think of any?
Ice cream. Igloo. Island.
Good job, everyone! J is a silly letter. It's the first letter of the word joke. Do you know a funny joke? K comes next. K is the first letter of the word kick. Do you like to kick a ball?
Kick.
And what do you kick with?
Leg.
That's right, your leg. Leg starts with the letter L. L is also the first letter of the word letter and learn.
Yeah.
You are so smart. What do we have here? Why, it's the letter M. M is the first letter of the word mom and mama. Give your mom a big hug. Now we have the letter N. Nice, neat. The letter N looks like the letter M, but with one less line. Can you see the difference?
Oh my!
It's the letter O. The letter O looks like a circle and is the first letter in the word ostrich. The letter that follows O is P. P looks like the letter B, but it sounds different. Can you think of a food that starts with the letter P?
P? Popsicle. Peanut.
Quite right. And that brings us to Q. Q looks like an O, but it has a tail. Q is the first letter in the word quiet, quilt, and more. It sounds like a K.
Wow, we are learning so much.
Next is the letter R. R is one of my favorite letters because it is the sound pirates make. Can you sound like a pirate?
Or matey.
Aren't we silly? That brings us to the silly letter S. It looks like a snake, doesn't it? S is the first letter of the word snake, and it's the only letter a snake can say. Terrific! It's the letter T. T is the first letter of the word truck and the word toy. What is your favorite toy? Next is T's friend, the letter U. The letter U makes lots of sounds and is the first letter of the word unicorn. Can you say it with me?
U.
Very good. V comes after U. V looks like an upside down triangle. V is the first letter of the word vegetable. Do you eat all of your vegetables?
Whoa, that's great.
W is next and is a wonderfully weird letter. It is the first letter of the word worm. Do you see worms in the garden? X comes next. X is a special letter. It usually isn't the first letter in a word, but it is very important. X is the first sound you hear when you say the word excited. Are you excited?
Yay!
Only 2 letters left, everybody. Y is after X. Y is the first letter in the word yellow. Is yellow your favorite color? Whisper your favorite color to the person sitting next to you. Now for the caboose. The last letter of the alphabet is Z. Can you say it with me?
Z.
Z is for zebra. Wow! Look at the long train. We did it, everybody. Now, can you say all the letters with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job!